What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Turn Them Wheels. I'm really excited to use this new Launch scanner that I ordered. It's going to be the Launch CRP 909E as in Edward. It's a one piece, 3.14 kilograms. So net weight and the gross weight. It's the Launch Tech company. I saw this one on Amazon. It looks like a really good one that's going to be able to scan the car and look at different modules and stuff. I'll go ahead and open it up. Packaged together pretty nice. Let's see. Go ahead and open it up. Looks like it's got a black and red case. I'll set it right here. Launch branding. So it is the Launch branding right here. Nice ruggedized case, kind of like a tool case. It is a scan tool, but kind of like a other kind of tool case, but it's looks nice. Good latch on it. Let's see, it does say open on here and on the same side. So it kind of just pushes over, flip it back, just lay it down. Hope it's the right way. Looks like it is. Let's see, here's the user's manual, little stuff like that. Set it to the side. Here's the actual scanner right here. So as you can see, it's all tied in with these little Velcro straps. That way it's not bouncing around in the shipping. It'll hold it down. And you can put it here in storage. It's a pretty nice little screen. Pretty good size. I think about 8-inch, maybe more. It's got little buttons. Home button. This is all live. Home, back. Oh, it does have a stand. This is really cool. So it tells you the input, 12 volt. Whenever you're using the car, 12 volt, it's going to put 1.2 amps to charge it. So it will charge it. It is a wire device. And whenever you plug it in with the wall charger, it's going to do 5 volts, 2 amps. Go ahead and turn it on. See if it has some juice. I might have to charge it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to charge it. Anyways, we'll set it to the side. We'll see what else is in the box. Let's see. It also came with this, the King Bolin EL-50448. It's going to be the tire pressure monitor system tool to relearn it. You will need a 9-volt battery. I'm not sure if they included one. Take it out like this. Notice before using, please keep this product as a dry and cool place. Do not expose this product to fire. It may cause an explosion. You just pop this in. That's where the battery goes, inside of there. So you'll put your tool in the tire pressure monitor learning mode, and then that way, like if you had like a tire rotation, you can move it around and reposition the tires. That way it's not saying the rear left is low, and if they didn't reposition your tires, it'll trick you and it'll, mess around with you. Anyways, snap that back on, set it to the side. Set this box to the side. Let's see what else is in here. So it does show you how to lock and unlock it. It's currently in the lock position. Press this down, locked, unlock. Same thing over here, down, down. So these goes over. It's got a bunch of little cables in here. Looks like, let's see what it's got. Looks like a USB to a 5-volt power cord, the charging cable. It also has the part that plugs in right here. I don't remember what this piece is called. This one looks more like a VGA. Set that to the side. Here's the other little connector piece right here. And it does come with the standard wall charger, 2 amp, so it'll charge it a little faster. Set that to the side. Little dust cap, pretty cool. And then other little adapters. This is for like, I think Europe, their charger over there. I'll set that to the side. Let's see. Let me get this thing powered up, and I'll start showing y'all some more of it. But So far the case, I mean, it's very tightly well packed inside of here. Very nice. So I just plugged in the device, got it powered on up here. It's plugged in up top. The cable is a little short. That's my only little complaint. The little power cable, it's maybe like a 3 foot. As you can see, it's booting on, tells you the battery life right here. So this is live. Let's see what it says. I probably got to walk it through, set it up. Welcome to use CRP909E. It's on 0%. Let's do start. It's got the languages, stuff like that. Let me see. English. Let's do next. All right, let me walk it through, guys. All right, so I got it on English, America, got the Wi-Fi set up. It says system update. The system detects that the latest YZ_V61101_005 version of the operating system currently exists. Is the upgrade downloaded? Okay. Let's do check version. Let's see what it says. New version, download, prepare, 97%, 99, 100. It's rolling pretty fast. It says update and then upgrading. Enter the recovery system failed. Equipment is low. Please. So it's because it's too low. I need to let this charge, guys. I'm trying to let this update and download, and it just don't have no battery for right now because it's brand new out of the box. And so let me get it some charge, and I'll get it to get it going. All right, guys. So I was able to get it charged. One thing that's pretty cool about this device is you can plug it into your 12 volt OBD2 onboard diagnostics 2 connector, and also you can plug it in right here too to the hardwired connection. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, now to the scanner. So this scanner, it's got the Wi-Fi capability. You have your battery status. It's April 21st, 5:14 p.m. It's got your inspection slash maintenance monitor. So if you have to do like annual inspections, you know, for your vehicle, it does show data, settings. I haven't finished setting it up. Upgrade, it's got 65 updates. I haven't really finished doing all the updates. Mall, it's got all your resets. It's got battery voltage. So right now the truck is running. It's a 2013 Chevrolet Silverado. Let's do battery voltage. It's showing about 12 something, 12.6, 12.8. These trucks have that little mode to where they switch between 14.4 and 12.8, you know, depending on the current, you know, whatever they need. Now let's go to diagnose. Let's do, see, it's got all this, all the different manufacturers: A-Bars, Acura, Alfa Romeo, Audi, Bentley, BMW, Bugatti. Pretty cool. It's got a Bugatti. Buick, Cadillac, Changan-Ford, I've never heard of it. Chevrolet, Chrysler, Citroen, Dacia, Daewoo, Daihatsu, a bunch. Honda, DNF, Nissan, Ford, GM. So let's it's a 2013 model. Let's do auto detect. It's kind of like a little slot machine, I guess you could say. Let's do the VIN scan. VIN identification function is reading the vehicle information. It made a little sound. So this is the regular General Motors by launch diagnostics. 2013 Chevrolet Silverado. Now start the vehicle system detection. Okay. Processing, please wait, with the notes. I mean, this scanner is really fast. I like it so far. Let's see, notes, loading. And of course, it's communicating with the engine control module or the engine control unit. Let's do reading for data. Manual transfer case, no. This truck has automatic, so let's do no. So it's going to read the vehicle. Radio, this one does have the navigation radio. Air conditioning, it does have the automatic. And it's currently climbing to 3%, so it's charging this thing. That's what's so good about this. Reading for data, please wait. With trailer brake, sorry about that. Under 8,600 gross vehicle weight. This truck's a 1,500, it don't weigh that much. This one does have the RPO code JL4 with the vehicle stability control. The leveling system, I think that only came in like certain high-level vehicles, like the Denali or some level on the GMC side, let's do without. Reading for data, please wait. In session. So it's going to roll the health report, engine control module, find fault code 1. So it's currently showing a little fault code inside of there. Transmission control module 0, fuel pump control module, transfer case control module. And it's going to do its little scan. It's got the little bar going across. That's a status bar. Driver door switch, HVAC control module, instrument panel cluster. Let's see, navigation radio, passenger door switch. Yeah, those, they keep coming up, but they had a technical service bulletin about that. General Motors did, so. Personal audio link module. Really don't know much about that one. The rear heated seat, this one doesn't have the rear heated seats on a 2013 model, so. Let's see, theft deterrent module. The airbag module is good. Electronic brake control module, it's good. It's about almost done. It made a little noise. So it's going to make a little report and it'll tell you everything. Let's see, 2013, it's showing kilometers. Let's see what's going on over here. Abnormal. It's showing it's got an EVAP code P0446 for the evaporative emission vent system performance. So I'm going to have to take a look at it. It could be either, usually with that, the P0446 is typically either the purge valve, the vent valve, or the fuel tank pressure sensor. On these General Motors trucks, you usually want like 1.5 volts on the fuel tank pressure sensor. So let's see, transmission control module, that's good. Fuel pump, control module, driver door switch, that's the one I talked about earlier. A B2555-01. Let's see. Everything else looks good. And I think it makes like a PDF. So you can do share with the notes. So you can send this to your customer, send it to yourself. Receiver, if you send to more than one person, please use semicolon to split. So you can type in somebody's email right here and it's going to send you the PDF report. Diagnostic report of GM. You could change the subject line and put your whatever the vehicle is, put a little message saying, hey, I recommend these parts, or whatever you want to put, parts and labor, or maybe they just want the scan tool of the actual diagnostic trouble code. Do a nickname, send. Let's see if we can get a little further into this code. Let's go back right here. It'll show you right here. And you can also use these buttons to go back to. You can either use a touchscreen or the buttons. That's what I like. It gives you the option of both. Let's go into OBD2. Let's just see what it says. So it's learning the protocol searching. Malfunction, indicator light status off, diagnostic trouble codes in the ECU computer 0, readiness completed 7, readiness not completed 1, readiness not supported 2, data stream supported. So it supports up to 49 data stream. Every vehicle is going to have a different amount of PIDs, different parameters and stuff. Ignition, spark. Let's see what happens if we do okay. So we already did read IM readiness. Let's do read live data mode. And right here, so it's got 49. Let's do, it might take a little bit to load. It's communicating with the vehicle's computer. It's showing 0 diagnostic trouble codes, absolute load value, throttle position, airflow rate. So this truck's a 5.3, so it should be, right around 5 point something. Grams per second, so that looks to be in spec. I have a good sensor. Alcohol fuel percentage, these trucks they did have problems with these. 7.843, that's good. If you have it too high, it can cause like a lean or rich condition. Ambient temperature outside, it says it's 93 degrees. That is right now it's like 82, so that is correct. Barometric pressure, calculated load value. Let's see, engine coolant temperature. Distance traveled since DTC is clear, 274. Control module voltage, 12.7. 195 engine coolant temperature. This truck's almost up to 210. That's a normal. The EVAP vapor pressure, -96. Fuel level input, 30%. Fuel rail pressure, 43. It's in closed loop. So let's see. Fuel air commanded equivalence ratio. Ignition timing advance for number 1 cylinder. The intake air temperature, it says it's 115 degrees. Intake manifold, the map, pressure, 5 psi, location of the sensors, bank 1, sensor 1 and 2, bank 2, 1 and 2. Long-term fuel trim, bank 1 and bank 2, 4%. Usually you want to have between 0 and 10. That's negative 10 and positive 10. Anywhere in there is usually pretty good. But they consider it normal. Oxidant sensor voltage. It just shows the voltage, so they should be bouncing around on sensor 1, and then on the sensor 2 they should be staying about the same. Relative throttle position, the short-term fuel trim percentage, and the long-term. Let's see, time since engine started, the vehicle speed sensor. Let's see, let's go back. Let's do control operation of the onboard computer, read vehicle information, test results, freeze frame. Let's do the read freeze frame. See what it says. No freeze frame data. Read live data. Let's see what the IM inspection monitors. Connect the VCI. IM readiness. It's connecting. It gave us a little check mark. IM readiness. So it says 0 diagnostic trouble codes. Misfire completed. Fuel system completed. Comprehensive component completed. Catalyst completed. EVAP system, since it is showing there's technically a P0446, of course it won't be ready. Completed. O2 sensor completed. O2 sensor heater completed. EGR. So everything looks good right here. I mean, for the most part, this vehicle could get inspected. Resets. Let's see what kind of resets there is. A battery reset, oil reset, brake reset. I think this is the air fuel ratio reset. ABS bleeding, electronic throttle relearn, TPMS reset, AC system, gearbox, seats calibration, tire reset, stop start, Windows calibration. It's got some pretty cool modes. Data, battery voltage, mode. So I'm gonna do some updates on this thing, see how everything goes. But I'm gonna put the link in the description to this thing, guys. I really recommend this thing. I mean, so far it's really cool. Thanks for watching, guys.